Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Aurora in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items you need to choose to create this look. Start from the hairstyle. You can choose this one, but you can choose only bangs, and then you're going to color it with this color, and then you're going to combine it with this hairstyle, make it the same color, and also this one, choose only bangs and make it the same color. Okay, and for the crown guys, you can choose this crown from the coats item. You're going to select toggle 2, and then you're going to color it like this. Alright, and then for the dress, you're going to choose the Sabrina Carpenter dress. Make it this color, and then change the material to glitter. And combine it with this dress from the World Culture Update. You're going to make it the same pink color and then make it glitter. Okay, and then you can choose this skirt from the VIP room. You're going to make it the same pink color, but you can combine it with this light pink, and then you're going to change the material to glitter. And this item from the VIP room, but you can choose fur only. Okay, and for the fur, make it white. And this shirt, you're going to select classic and then apply the same pink color and make it glitter. And what else? Okay, put on this necklace from the coats item, make it this gold color, and then this item, a bucket of flower. For the color, just use the original color, and this is optional. You can skip this item if you don't want to bring this item. Okay, and those are the items you need to choose or you need to put on to create this Princess Aurora look. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.